Alright, so I have some sad news. We just got done for our Sapa run and we have sausage. Get him. Get him. Get him, big boy. That sausage, get him. Woof, woof. Get him. Look at this. Look at this. I just washed it. Now look at me. My pants completely covered. My dress shirt completely covered. The way up to Sapa was just covered in mud. Water. Look at this. Oh, I just cleaned it too. That is hard to look at. That is the price you pay when you want to go play up in Sapa. Ow. My foot. Look at that. What the beep is this? What is this? Oh man. So now you can't clean it because the engine's hot. So if you were to throw water on it, you could risk cracking it. So my bike has to remain looking like this.